Good morning children, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Numbers. Before getting to the class, we are going to see basic arithmetic operations of Maths. See children, these four operations of arithmetic operations of Maths. First, addition. This is a sign of addition. Second one, subtraction. This is a sign of subtraction. Third one, multiplication. This is a sign of multiplication. Fourth one, division. This is a sign of division. Children, already you learned addition, subtraction, multiplication. But now we are going to learn division. See children, division. Division means the division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It's one of the four basic operations of arithmetic. Once again I read division. The division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic. Okay children, now we are going to see some example of division. See children, I am going to teach division with an activity. Let us start. Children, listen carefully. I have 5 chalk pieces. How many chalk pieces? 5 chalk pieces. Now I am going to divide these chalk pieces with 2 persons. I am going to give this chalk piece to first person. This chalk piece to give second person. Again I am going to give this chalk piece to first person. Next, this chalk piece to give second person. Children, how many chalk piece remains in my hand? Yes, I have 1 chalk piece. This is called remainder. This is called remainder. Remaining 2 equal division. How many division? 2 equal division. This 2 equal parts called quotient. This 2 equal parts called quotient. Next, total number of chalk pieces. I have how many total number of chalk pieces? 5 chalk pieces. This 5 chalk pieces called dividend. Next, number that divides into another with or without a remainder is said to be divisor. In this example, we get remainder. Okay children, shall we move on to the next sum? See children, first sum 24 divided by 2. Here 24 is called dividend. Is called divisor. Dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-T. Dividend. 2. Divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. Here 2 is divisor. We must write 2 table. See children, we write division like this. After 24 we write inside. Dividend write inside, divisor write outside. Next, compare this number. Here 2, here also 2. How many 2s are 2? 1, 2s are 2. So we write here 1. 1, 2s are 2. Next step. Here put subtraction symbol. We must here put subtraction symbol. 2 minus 2, 0. Next we write down 4. How many 2s are 4? See to table. 2 2s are 4. Here put 2. 2 2s are 4. Next, here put subtraction symbol. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 is called remainder. Or E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. This 12 is called quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Here 12 is quotient, 24 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 0 is remainder. Exercise 2.1. First sum 896 divided by 5. Here 896 is dividend, 5 is divisor. So we must write fifth table. Next, write division like this. 896 write inside. Divisor part is right outside. Compare here 5 and 8. How many 5 in 8? See the table. 1 5. So here put 1. 1 5s are 5. Next, we put subtraction symbol. 8 minus 5, 3. Next, we write down next number 9. How many 5s are 39? Here not comes 39. So before number 35. How many 5s are 35? 7 5s are 35. Next we put subtraction symbol. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Next we write down 6. How many 5s are 46? Here 46 is not come. So before number 45. 9 5s are 45. Next we put subtraction symbol. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So here 1 is the remainder. 179 is quotient. Next sum 696 divided by 6. Here 696 is divided. 6 is a divisor. So we must write sixth table. Next, we write division like this. 696 write inside. 6 write outside. First compare here 6, here also 6. How many 6 are 6? 1, 6 are 6. Next we put subtraction symbol. 6 minus 6, 0. Next we write down next number 9. How many 6 in 9? 1, 6. So here also write 1, 1 6 are 6. Here put minus symbol. 9 minus 6, 3. Next we write down next number 6. How many 6 are 36? 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Here put subtraction symbol. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Here 0 is a remainder. 116 is a quotient. Third sum 686 divided by 7. So here write 7th table. Next, division. 686 write inside. 7 write outside. How many 7 in 6? It's not possible. So we take next number. So 68. How many 7s are 68? 68 does not come in 7th table. So before number we take 63. How many 7s are 63? 9 7s are 63. Next here put subtraction symbol. 8 minus 3, 5. Here 6 minus 6, 0. So next we this number. Here 6. How many 7s are 56? 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Here put subtraction symbol. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So 0 is a remainder. 98 is a quotient. Fourth sum, 813 divided by 8. So first we write like division. 813 write inside, 8 write outside. Here 8, here also 8. How many 8s are 8? 1, 8s are 8. Next, subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Next we write down 1. See children, here 8, here 1. 8 will not divide 1. So, here put 0. After we write down next number. Consider 13. How many 8 in 13? 1. 8 in 13. So, here put 1. 1 8s are 8. Next, here put subtraction symbol. 3 minus 8 is not possible. We borrow 1. 13. 13 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 5. So, here write 5. Here 5 is a remainder. 101 is a quotient. Next, fifth sum. Rahul has 192 toy cars. He put them equally in 6 boxes. How many toy cars will he put in each box? How many toy cars are left over? Left over means remainder. Okay. So, see children. Total number of toy cars. Total number of toy cars. Rahul has 192 toy cars. So, here write 192. Number of boxes. He put them equally in how many boxes? 6 boxes. Here write 6. Now we are going to find number of toy cars in each box. How many toy cars will you put in each box? So here write first. Total number of toy cars are divided. So here write 192. Next. Number of boxes 6. So divisor 6. We write divisor table. 6th table. Next. See children. Here 1. Here 6. 6 is not divide 1. So we next we take next number 19. How many 6 are 19? 19 is not there. So before number 18. 3 6 are 18. Next we put subtraction symbol. 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 1 0. Next we write down next number 12. How many 6 are 12? 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 0. So remainder 0, quotient 32. So number of toy cars in each box. How many? 32 toy cars in each box. Next, leftover toy cars 0. Next sum, Aguila has 495 photographs to put in an album. She can put 9 photographs on each page. She put 9 photographs on each page. How many pages she can fill? Here given total number of photographs 495. Number of photographs in each page 9. Now we are going to find number of pages she filled. So here write division. Total number of photographs 495. So here total number of photographs is divided. Next, divisor. 9. Number of photographs she filled in each page 9. So we must write 9th table. Next, here 4, here 9. 9 is not divided 4. So we take next number. We consider 2 digit. 49. How many 9s are 49? 49 is not there. So before number we take 45. How many 9s are 45? 5 9s are 45. Next, we put subtraction symbol. 9 minus 5, 4. Next, 4 minus 4, 0. Here, we write down next number. How many 9s are 45? 5 9s are 45. So, here put 5. 5 9s are 45. Here put subtraction symbol. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So, reminder 0, quotient 55. So, number of pages, she filled how many pages? 55 pages. So, the answer is 55. Okay children, thank you.